be taking my baby for a walk. So, let's go. Turning around. Sorry guys, I'm coughing so loud. Okay, we're almost done, but I'm gonna walk all the way to a blue garbage can. Okay, we're at the blue garbage can, but I'm not allowed to show you because the blue garbage cans have their address on it. So yeah. Now let's walk back home. It's gonna be a long walk, so be prepared. I am home, finally, I'm home. That took a long walk, I meant. Cover the camera. Oh my god, guys, the door is locked, so I'll be right back. The door's locked, I forgot the house keys. I forgot the house keys somewhere around the street. I put them somewhere, but I forgot where I put it. So, I'll be right back. I finally found the house keys. It took forever, so now we can get in.